Hello, dear customer, how are you? I'm Christy from Moonlight. I'm glad that you have chosen our laser. Today, my colleague and me, we will give you a detailed presentation about how to operation our laser machine. Firstly, I will present you the key of our machine. This yellow button is the indication light. The key in the middle is the switch of the machine. You will just turn the key on right to open the machine. The red button is the emergency button. In normal circumstances, you will not use it. Just when the machine will give an alarm, you will use this button. Just press this button and the machine will stop working. Now let's take a look at the tools that we need to prepare before the treatment. The gel, the tools for applying the gels, medical alcohol, the facial tools, the pen, razor, glasses for doctor and patient. Now we enter into the operation interface. Firstly, let's choose the language. We will choose English. If you will have a two-handle machine, you need to choose the handle 2. So we will see in this interface, we will have 3 operation modes. For a new beginner, we recommend you to use the SHR mode, which you will find the basic treatment parameter directly. For these 2 treatment modes, you need to enter the treatment parameter manually. From the left side, this is the body shape of our patient. You can choose depends on the body shape of your patient. And from the right side, there will be 6 skin color for you to choose, from white to darker skin. And then you can slide the screen to choose the operation part. Now we will present you how to adjust the treatment parameter from the basic recommended parameter. Firstly, we can see the default treatment time of the operation system is 200 seconds, but you can adjust the treatment time depends on different body parts. For example, you can enter 300 seconds. So this is the fluence. The fluence is the energy of the laser. You can adjust according to customer's feeling. And the frequency, we generally recommend 5 or 6. And the pulse, we generally recommend 20 to 40. And for the cooling level, you can adjust, depends on the environmental temperature or your customer's feeling. If your customer feel a little pain during the treatment, you can adjust the cooling level to 5 or 6. Now we can see there is an icon green here. This is the electronic water level gauge. When this icon becomes red, it means that you need to add water for your machine. The system will send you the reminder automatically, so it will be very convenient for you to maintain the machine. So here's the number 11 to 12. You can use this number to save the treatment parameter of your customer. Here's the letter T. It means the total shoot time. The letter S, it means the shoot time of every treatment. So how to use those numbers to save the treatment parameter for your important customer. For example, for this treatment parameter, after the treatment, we found that it is very suitable for your customer number 1. So after the treatment, you can just press the number 1 and press save, and then this parameter has been saved successfully in the operation system. So the next time when your customer number 1 come back for a second treatment, you can find this treatment parameter directly for him.
Now we proceed to the treatment of legs. For the upper part of the calf, we choose 3 to 5 minutes. First, we need to use a razor to remove excess hair on the patient's leg. And then we will mark the area. We need to apply gel to the patient's legs, and the treatment head needs to be close to the skin. Now we ask patients how she is feeling. She replied that she didn't have any pain and just feel cold. We can adjust the parameter until the patient feel a slight tingling. Regarding the method of swiping light, we can do it vertically and then horizontally so that the energy enters from different angles. If you feel a little tired by using hand during the treatment, you can switch to the pedal too. At the end of the treatment, we can use tweezers to gently pull out the hair. If it will be easily to be pulled out, it means that the critical point of hair removal has been reached. The treatment for the armpit usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. You can repeat the above steps. You can first use a low frequency for point-to-point treatment, and then adjust it to a high frequency for swiping light. The adjustment is still based on the basic parameter and slowly increased if necessary. Regarding the facial treatment, our suggestion is to use lower energy and lower frequency for point-to-point treatment because the skin on the face is more sensitive than other parts of the body. It is recommended to slowly increase the parameter, depends on customer's feeling. The mini treatment head can be rotated to different angle for your convenience. You need to take off the red protective cover before using. It is just used to treat small parts, such as hair between the eyebrow, around the mouth, nostril. It is not recommended for a short time continuously more than 500. After the treatment, we use medical alcohol to disinfect the treatment head. Here following is the recommended treatment time of each body part for your reference.